discover together le verbe pouvoir. Pouvoir means to can, okay, so it's quite useful. And then we'll discover it because, well, it's not a regular verb, so it's always quite interesting to take a few minutes to really work on it and try to remember the way it is conjugated at the present form, okay? So the first form that we'll have is je, as usual, so je peux, okay? Final X not pronounced here, okay? So you get X, but you don't pronounce it, so basically you get the sound peut, peut, je peux. Okay, so I can, je peux. Okay, then tu peux. Same pronunciation and same spelling or writing. Okay, P-E-U-X. Okay, don't pronounce the final X. Tu peux. Okay, je peux, tu peux. Then il, elle peut. So you will put T at the end. You don't pronounce it. Il peut, elle peut. Okay, so if you look carefully, you've got peut here, you've got peut here, and you've got peut here. Okay, so for the three first, or four, because there is the feminine form as well, for the four first persons here, well, it's the same phonetical form. It's peut. Okay, and then nous. So classic ending for nous, this ONS ending for nous. Okay, nous pouvons, nous pouvons. Okay, you don't pronounce the final S. Nous pouvons. Then vous pouvez. Okay, classic ending as well for the vous form. A Z like that. Okay, remember you pronounce it E. Okay, vous pouvez, vous pouvez. And then plural form, ils, elles peuvent. Ils, elles peuvent. Okay, so be careful because as you can see, you've got this EU here, EU here, EU here, and then it's coming back here as well. Okay, so the only OU that does connect to the infinitive here, pouvoir, it's only for nous and vous. Okay, so let's read them one more time. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. Okay, as usual, this ending, this ENT ending, you write it, you don't pronounce it. Okay, peuvent, peuvent, peuvent. Okay, so it's really useful. You should really, definitely know it by heart. Okay, so try your best. Well, watch again this video if you need it, and then I hope it will enter in your head quite easily. Okay, let's see some example now. Je peux chanter. Okay, je peux chanter. So you can see that in that case, when you construct a verb, or sorry, you construct a sentence with the verb pouvoir, here you've got a second verb, chanter, and it means to sing. Okay, so I can sing. Well, you should all the time put the second verb at the infinitive form. Okay, so when we talk about the infinitive form, normally it's the basic form of the verb. Okay, je peux chanter. Another example, tu peux partir. Partir is to leave. You can leave. Tu peux partir. All right, same thing here. Okay, second verb, well, basically coming right after, of course, and then at the infinitive form. All right, elle peut dessiner. Dessiner is to draw. Elle peut dessiner. She can draw. Okay, elle peut dessiner.